What depth of training would it take for you to put somebody on a rope and send them up?
So the training that would be required primarily comes down to the supervisor of that job.
Yeah.
The person kind of in control and supervising and taking responsibility for the safety, they need to be trained and they need to understand how this thing operates. But when we look at traditional access methods, there's a fair bit of equipment and there's certain skill sets that are needed. There's physicality involved as well.
100%.
If we wanted to take someone with no skill set whatsoever, we wouldn't put them into a chest ascender and a descender and a foot loop. You would, but after a period of time. With this, we can put somebody on it and they can control it. And the key reason for that is that they have control with the throttle, so they control their ascent and descent.
Yeah.
So that actually has a built-in rescue element, is that they can descend with very easy twist of a throttle. We can also kind of supervise and maintain the safety of that person because we've got an emergency descent on this. We can rig the ropes for rescue. But ultimately, with the wireless Bluetooth remote, it means the supervisor can operate the control of the device.
Yeah.
The person who you're needing to put in a position, as long as they're familiar with basic height safety and a harness, we can put them into that situation and we can lift them to where they need to be. So they don't actually need to do anything. You can stick them on a chair and they can just be lifted up.